Hi, my name is Vinitha and I'm going to teach you guys how to make a heart origami. So do you know who started origami? Well, it was the Japanese who first started it, and they did it for ceremonial and religious ceremonies, and it was a form of expression for them. So let's get started. So first you're going to need a square paper, and we're going to take the corner and fold it inward like this. Then we're going to take both the corners and fold them inside like this, creating a square. Next, we're going to take the open part of the square and we're going to fold it inward, creating this. And then we're going to flip it to the other side, and we're going to take this corner and fold it to the left and this corner to the right. Next, we're going to take the little tips and fold them inward and do the same for the other side. And now we have a heart. Thank you.